Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2019 MG MG3 Excite. This vehicle sustained damage to the left-hand front. This shape runs from the 7th month 2016 to current. This vehicle is fitted with a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by front-wheel drive automatic transmission. We have the bonnet, appears to have no damage, front radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left-hand rear door, appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mag wheels, left rear has a good tyre, left-hand tail light, tailgate appears to have no damage, has a tidy rear bumper cover, right hand tail light, factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel, right rear has a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage. We have the right hand front door, right hand power door mirror, right hand front guard appears to have no damage, right hand headlight, factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel, right front has a good tyre. We have the driver's power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a factory grey leather interior. Has a tidy handbrake lever, tidy automatic transmission center console, automatic transmission gear shifter, factory AC controls, touchscreen media player, interior light, mirror, left hand sun visor, has a tidy right hand sun visor, automatic instrument cluster, has a tidy grey leather steering wheel with steering wheel controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.